All right, guys, we are looking to do full replacement of this unit here. There's plenty of space, but it's just kind of hard to get the angle here. So we'll be coming back in with a variable speed unit. This is 49 inches tall. It's C-width, 21 inches wide. Coil on top of it is also C-width. It currently has a 5-inch flue, 6-inch T, and 4-inch from the water heater over here. You can see that. Gas is coming in from the left side. Wraps around down here. The return drop is very undersized. This is an 8x24, I believe. We've got plenty of space. We'll bump that out to a 10x26 and we'll scoot it back just a hair. Right now there's about 5 inches between there. We'll likely be coming back in with a C-width, so we'll just need to squeeze out another 2 or 3 inches right there by moving that over to the right. Line sets are running through finished part of the basement right over here. So those will need to be all flushed out and reused. Drain right in front of the system here. Breaker back there. It's an unfinished space we're in. Stairs coming down the stairs is right here, so we'll just need to cover this area.